So, hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is 7 days, 7 Oshus and tarot messages for all the Geminis and Moon Venus rising from 7 till the 13th of April. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below. And if you want to start your self-love journey, the Self-Love 30 Days Challenge course is live now. You can find the link in the description box itself. So let's start Gemini. Let's see what we have for this week. For the 7th, we have the Thunderbolt. Something is going to shock you. Something is going to surprise you actually, and something that you might be believing in, or some kind of situation where the roots are very weak, it's going to fall apart. And it's actually happening for your highest good. This is a shake up because the universe wants you to wake up now, right? So shake up to wake up so that you will be able to understand the reality, come back to the reality and come back to your own original state the way you should. So you might be living in some kind of illusion or delusion, or you might be holding on to something that you should have left a long time ago. So the universe is kind of shaking things up for you so that you can release it properly now. Now, the 8th, we have the suppression. The more you are going to suppress yourself, your anger, your desires, or your feelings, the more it's going to be difficult for you to grow and heal properly the way you should. Okay, so suppression is not at all good, Gemini. You can express your feeling to the right people, to the right energies. You can take a help from a therapist or a guru maybe, or like somebody whom you believe in and trust in. You can definitely express yourself openly and honestly in front of the right energy, and then you will be able to heal and grow, right? Suppressing is not the answer here. Okay, 7, 8, 9, we have the conditioning. On the 9th of April, you are going to realize that whosoever you thought you are till this point of your life, you are not the same person. You're not the same energy. The conditioning is going away. The situation is kind of making you feel different. Your energies are different. Your feelings are different. So you're going to realize that you are not the same kind of energy or the same kind of person that you thought you were. And something is shifting, and now you're realizing your full potential. Now you're realizing how you are different from others. Okay, what you're going to do? Sorry. What you're going to do about this is a totally different chapter. 7, 8, 9. 10th, we have the consciousness. On the 10th of April, Gemini, you are going to feel very comfortable within yourself. The more you are going to be aware of your own feelings, your own energies, the more there will be increase in your consciousness, and the more you are going to have increase and enhancement in your consciousness, the more your spiritual growth is going to happen. Basically, your intuition and your third eye chakra energy is going to be quite high on this particular day. So make good use of this day to make intuitively high decisions. Okay. What is the meaning of intuitively high decision? Your intuition is going to guide you to the right people, the right situation, right things. Listen to your intuition and just keep going, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th, we have the innocence. Now, no matter how old you are, okay, 90 or 100 years, doesn't matter. You have to have this like childlike innocence in order to get the real essence of happiness, in order to get the real essence of what meaningful life, what real life, what happiness looks like, blissfulness looks like. Okay, especially if you're on your spiritual path, the more you are going to practice childlike innocence and happiness, the more it's going to be easier for you to connect with the divine. So practice innocence. You can't practice innocence, you can be innocent, right? It's either you are innocent or you are not. Exactly, right? So innocent is like you have to be in this childlike energy if you don't know anything, but you enjoy everything. That is the deal here. 12th, we have the projections. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 12th, projections. So you might have this tendency to see people, things, and situations for what they are pretending to be, instead of seeing their real face, instead of getting their real intentions, or instead of understanding their real energies. You might have this energy of getting projections, believing in projections. So try not to get trapped in any kind of illusions or delusions before you are going to get to know everything about certain people or situations or things or whatever is applicable. Now, 13th, we have the transformation. Now, Gemini, even if you are on the spiritual path or not, you are going to feel something in you is shifting and changing on a very deeper level and bigger level. You might not be able to understand it on a human level, but the more you are going to connect with yourself, the more you are going to stay silent, the more you are going to sit with yourself, the more you will be able to understand what that transformation means to you and what is actually changing and what you should do in order to get that happiness in your life, that the happiness, the peace that you are looking forward to have. It's basically you connecting with yourself and understanding the real essence and real energy of peace and silence, and transforming your own energies within yourself. Sit with yourself, talk to yourself, understand your energies, and you will be able to find out what actually blissfulness and peaceful energy means for you, right? Feels like. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.